Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change pointer size in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, when we are using accessory with a pointer, we can change its size if we want to or if we need to. So, where to do it? Settings, of course, then accessibility options, next visibility enhancements, and here at the bottom we have our pointer size and color functions. As you can see, we have example here, and we can change size of our pointer. Of course, we can change color as well if we want to. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.